Hey everyone, today I'm meal prepping chicken freezer meals using 2 packs of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, just under 4 pounds each. To kick things off, I start off with the first pack inside the crock pot. I'm using my homemade taco seasoning along with salsa. After 4 hours, it's tender, flavorful, and delicious. I'm gonna start off by separating about a third of it for my first meal, which is chicken taco soup. So the bulk of the meals with this pack of chicken breasts are gonna be Mexican inspired. This is all you need. And I'm gonna make soup burrito bowls, and the bulk of it will be this corn and black bean salsa along with the chicken from the crock pot. Let's go ahead and finish off this quick, delicious dump and go chicken taco soup, which is a family favorite. Make sure you squeeze as much air out of it as possible, and you want to lie it flat to freeze it. Next, I'm gonna make quick, convenient, delicious burrito bowls. I got about 12 from about half of the chicken breast that was left. And these are strictly personal preference, but this is what I like to use on my burrito bowls when I warm them up. Next, we're gonna make burritos. And with the remainder of the chicken from this pack, I made about 18 burritos. For the next pack of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, I'm gonna cut them into chicken tenders and batter them using my Batter Pro. This is a super convenient, easy cleanup item. Just season the chicken as desired. Use a combination of cornstarch as well as all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna fry them until they are 165 degrees in coconut oil. After they're cooked, lie them flat to par freeze. Next, I'm gonna take a 5-pound bag of potatoes, cut them into wedges, boil them to blanch them for 3 minutes. Lie them on a paper towel, flat to cool and dry. Then you want to lie them on parchment paper flat to freeze them, par freeze them, and then add them to the freezer bags. So there you have it, a month's worth of delicious, convenient, easy freezer meals made with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Stay tuned for our next video for more freezer meal options for you and your family.